I did an experiment about the speed of sound. There were three main things that I needed: tape measure, pencil to mark the footage, and of course a basketball. And of course my trusty assistant. I am now at the 100-foot mark. We will bounce the basketball and see if I hear it right away. Heard. Alright. I'm now at 150 feet. I didn't notice a difference at 125, but let's see if I do at 150. There was only a slight difference. Now we're at 175. Let's hear it from here. I'm now at 200 feet. Let's see if there's a difference now. Still, small difference. I am now at 250. Let's see if there's a difference now. I bet there will be. Yes, there is a small difference again, but it's getting to be okay difference. You can kind of hear it. Now this is the final, 300. I bet there's going to be a big difference. There was a big difference. You could even hear